You ever been in an RV and seen one of these screen doors and wish you had a handle right here? We have a solution for you. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this RV handle, which we already installed one of these in our RV, and I picked one up for my mom and dad. That's really pretty cool. It comes with all the screws you need. It comes with the self-tapping screws. It is adjustable, so when this piece goes into here, it is adjustable, and then you can screw this in here so that this piece doesn't slide back and forth. Basically, it just comes with these little mounts, and Jamie's going to install it, and it's going to make it easier to open and close the RV door. This is what we were talking about, it being adjustable. So this slides in and out, so if you have a smaller door or a little bit bigger door, you can adjust it to size, and then use them self-tapping screws and screw it right in. So we figured out what size we need it. Now we're putting the screws in here to stabilize it some. And now it's on there. Check this out. So now when we walk up here, we can easily close it. You can pull it right shut. That makes it so much nicer. You don't have to reach out and try to grab it. That's pretty nice. I say that's a win.